In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install GitHub Desktop on Windows 11. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type GitHub Desktop and press Enter. This will bring up the most up-to-date download links and official resources. If you see different tabs across the top of the results, choose the Web Results tab so you're looking at the standard list of sites rather than images or news. From the results, click the official GitHub Desktop site. You can recognize it by the URL desktop.github.com. It's important to use the official site to make sure you're getting the authentic installer with the latest security updates. On the GitHub Desktop page, look for the main download button and select it. The site detects Windows automatically, but you may also see a specific option labeled Download for Windows, 64-bit. Go ahead and choose that. Windows 11 runs on 64-bit architecture, so this is the correct build for almost everyone. As the download begins, you might notice an option on the page that says something like, "Try beta features and help improve future releases." Clicking this will show you information about GitHub Desktop's beta program. Beta versions can include the newest features earlier, but they may also have occasional bugs. If you value stability, you can stick with the standard release. If you're curious and comfortable experimenting, you can explore the beta details here and decide later inside the app. You may also see a link that says, "Prefer the MSI?" Clicking that reveals an alternative installer format commonly used by IT administrators for managed or silent deployments. The MSI installer contains the same application, it's just packaged for different installation workflows. If you don't have a specific reason to use MSI, the default installer you just downloaded is perfectly fine. There's also a link labeled Mac. That simply points to the macOS download page. We're focusing on Windows 11 in this video, but it's helpful to know where the Mac version lives if you work across platforms. At this point, your browser should be downloading the Windows installer to your Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, you can accept the default location. Once the file has finished downloading, you'll be ready to run it and complete setup. The on-screen prompts are straightforward and you can proceed when you're ready. That's it. You've located the official site, chosen the correct Windows 64-bit download, reviewed optional beta features, and seen where to find the MSI